Hi, my name is Manu Kolkat, and my partner is Itai Karen, and our project is RecoSonic, the self-hosted music recommendation system.
There are currently several music streaming services that offer recommendations to users based on listening preferences: Pandora, Spotify, etc. These services are part of a larger trend that utilizes cloud-based technologies to perform various actions, that is, listening to music, storing pictures, etc. Despite this push towards the cloud, there is a growing community of tech-savvy self-hosting home users that prefer home lab server solutions due to security concerns. For these home sysadmins, there is no locally hosted music service that can handle large amounts of data while also providing recommendations. iTunes and its genius playlists regularly crashes with libraries larger than 500 gigs, and even more so with the NAS Samba shares. Also, mobile data restrictions can be a nuisance for cloud streaming. The ability to sync playlists on Wi-Fi and then hit the road is key.
We propose an application that individuals can install on their home machines that analyzes their personal music library to provide novel recommendations based on both user input and user activity. This application will allow users to rediscover their own music library by creating playlists of music that the user has but does not frequently listen to or may not even be aware of. Music that is highly rated and is similar to music that the user already listens to and loves. If time permits, we will develop a visualization tool to represent the music library along with our recommendations gleaned from the system. In addition, the app will be open source so users can modify the code for their own needs.
Here's our plan for the expected contributions and timeline of the project. During this week, Manu will research the Million Song dataset and become familiar with the API, while Itai researches Subsonic program and try to compile it locally. Then the next week, together we will learn how to interact with the Subsonic music database and identify which data fields can be used for analysis within the Million Song dataset. The following week we'll split up and Manu will create a framework for a tool and implement a user input and user behavior-based recommendation system, while Itai implements queries to Million Song dataset from within Subsonic. The following week we will reconvene again, develop and test the final design of the product, and then the last week, if time permits, we will utilize the d3.js library to create interactive visualizations for the tool.
We will utilize various datasets, algorithms, and tools for this project. For the music dataset, we will use our own personal music libraries as a test, ranging over 1 terabyte each. In order to analyze and categorize the music, we will also use the Million Song dataset, which is a music metadata collection tool developed here at Columbia. We will employ user-based recommendation coupled with music similarity metrics calculated from the Million Song set. As a starting point for the self-hosted music streamer, we plan on employing the open source Subsonic application, or SupiSonic, which is its Python implementation. Finally, if time permits, we will utilize the d3.js JavaScript library to create our visualizations. Thank you.